So I've received this Purifying shower head by Hello Clean. Under £60 this is. It comes well packaged. It came in a little bag, like a fabric bag, which was nice, obviously boxed up as well. It comes with a little wrench because inside here, and you can unscrew the bottom, it comes with filters. It recommends that you change that every 4 months if you're a household of 2. So yeah, should we try it? So it purifies your water, so you don't have as much hard water going through, it says on the packaging. So let's try it. Turn the shower on. And that's it. Looks quite powerful. And that purifies your water, so you can get a nice shower. I'll link it below for yous.